Welcome back, family. It's Makisha Styles here, aka Keish, and today I'm going to be going over who are the perfect partners to partner with XtreamFX Global Academy. For one, the youth. We're one of the first academies that actually gear towards the youth. So it doesn't matter if you're as young as 7-year-old because we have 7-year-old traders here learning this powerful skill set of Forex trading. And then we also have a 12-year-old that is completely just phenomenal in the markets at such a young age. So we do have the Youth Academy here. Another partners we can have here are your social entrepreneurs. These are the people that are always looking for different opportunities and extra ways to build their portfolio. So here in the XtreamFX Global Academy, as you know, we start off with getting your cash flow together with Forex, then we build you up, okay? So you definitely, if you're a social entrepreneur, this is the right place for you. Next are the seniorpreneurs. What's a seniorpreneur? Those are our elders, right? So you might think that, man, I might be too old to start learning how to trade in this powerful $7 trillion per day market. You're not, because the way that XtreamFX Global Academy breaks things down so simplistic, it doesn't matter your age. So whether you're 65, 95, 105, it doesn't matter. We definitely do have the classes in a certain way where you will definitely understand it, overstand it, and understand it. And then of course the students. The students here are phenomenal. So if you're a student, you're currently in school, we definitely have the right program for you, because like I said, everything is laid out in a simplistic manner from A all the way to Z. Then of course business owners. And you're wondering right now, okay, business owners, how can we benefit from partnering with XtreamFX Global Academy? As you hear me mention in all the videos, we have more than Forex here. We have financial educational classes, which means that not only are we assisting you with building up your personal credit. Next thing we're going to do is show you how to properly build up your business credit to start applying for different business loans, okay? And then we can show you ultimately how to protect every single thing and protect your assets. So here, business owners, definitely great partners with us. Then of course, the ultimate, anyone seeking extra income. So if you're seeking extra income or just income period, XtreamFX Global Academy is powerful for you because one, you get to learn Forex, and two, we have a phenomenal compensation plan. On top of that, extra bonuses, and then of course, perks, loyalty perks for continuing to partner with us. So if you're looking to partner with us, just definitely check the description of this video, text us and let us know, and we're looking forward to having you as part of our XtreamFX Global Academy. This has been Makisha Styles, aka Keish here, and I will see you in the next video.